thanks for tuning in. I wanted to do a quick review on my Ibanez GAX70 guitar, electric guitar. So I've actually had this for, geez, like 17 years now, as the time I'm making this video. I have loved this guitar. I'm going to tell you the things I like about it, the things I don't like about it and stuff, but overall I've really liked it. I'll include a link too in the description so that you can, if you want to buy it online or something like that, but it's pretty inexpensive. So that's one of the things I really like. I got it used from a buddy when I was first learning to play guitar, and it was, I think he sold it to me for like 150 bucks or something like that. Maybe it was even 100, I can't remember, but I got it, like, he had barely even played it or anything. It was practically brand new. Now you can buy them online for about 200 bucks, which is pretty sweet. So it's been a good guitar. I love the neck, so you can see that too. Like, it's so clean and smooth, like the way that you play it. Just like, I think it sounds so great. I love this thing. I love the way it looks too. So I just got a plain like gray one. You can see it's basically the same color all the way around. And if you're only getting a guitar for 200 bucks, like, I mean, I liked it. I like it that way a lot. I'm going to show you too. I love the finger markings too, the fret markings on here, so you can see where everything is. It's very easy. It just feels so smooth. I'm going to try and put that a little bit closer for you so you can see. But it just feels so smooth. It's got those four different dials down there as well. You know, it's got the toggle switch down here, so you can change that too. So it's been great for like distortion and stuff. I don't really play a whole lot of heavy distortion stuff anymore, but like, I just love playing even like country stuff on it. Baby last night. It's so incredibly smooth. I don't even know how to like tell you how smooth it is, but I want you to also see just how it looks there on the neck. But I think it all looks great. Like I said, I've had this for like 18 years. It's been with me in a lot of different apartments, a lot of different moves and everything. And I've only had 2 problems with it at all of any kind. One has been that these sometimes have not worked. I didn't have to go get them fixed. What has happened is, if you look closely, you can see I've actually got dust on there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's because I didn't clean it enough. So basically, if you just use like a keyboard cleaner or something, at least I think, someone let me know in the comments if there's a better way to do it. Just say it nicely though. But yeah, that should clean it out, and then you shouldn't get dust in there. But I took it into a shop once and they were like, yeah, we're not going to charge or anything. It's just like, just do it with the keyboard cleaner and that'll work. So that's what I did. The other thing here, where I have the cord in, that the screw part around it comes loose sometimes, and I just have to tighten it with my fingers. Or you could tighten it with a tool too. But so those have been the 2 issues that I've had. And the things I love about it, the way it looks is just pretty standard. It's nothing crazy special or anything. I love how smooth it is playing on the neck. I love the sound of it. I love how it sounds with distortion, when it's clean, with various sound effects and stuff like that. It sounds really good, even palm muting. Let's see, let me grab a pick here. This is brand new, the song. Now, it is kind of a heavy guitar, for sure, so keep that in mind. But like, I do feel it weighing me down a little bit, but at the same time, that's okay. I'm not out playing tons of concerts and stuff, and if I was, even, I would be willing to still use it. But it's been something that's held up, and it sounds really great, and it was cheap, right? I mean, like I said, I got it for like 150 bucks or something. Now you can get it for 200, and I've had it for 17 years. Now, granted, I haven't played it those entire 17 years, but it has lasted me that whole time, without really having any issues. So you can even play like, you can play like slower love songs. And stuff like that too, or like the Thomas Rhett when I was playing. See, I just feel, you hear how clean that is? It just sounds so great. Also, but if you want, you can change the toggle switch and stuff. It'll sound a little bit different. So it would sound like this. Now we can turn it the other way. So that was up. This is all the way down. Play that wrong. Anyway, so I really like the sound of it and everything. You just basically, the only thing I think really you have to keep it clean and make sure that screw around there is just tight, okay? Yeah, it's a great sounding guitar. I mean, it's not the flashiest thing, but that's okay. So I love it. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching.